Carter, don't cry. Look, this toy. Come get it. Come get your toy. Show Grandma and Grappy how you kind of learn how to crawl. Come get it. No, don't roll over. Good boy, Carter. Good job. Crawling a little bit. Good job.
With his feet.
Well, still crawling a little bit. Don't bump your head. Oh! Come get the ball. This guy your favorite. Oh, look what Mommy can do with him. Don't cry.
Ooh, other time. I'm going to one of those toys.
Carter's got all his toys out. Wow, Carter.
You can tip it. Oh. Got that leg tucked in. That's good. That's a good start.
Oh, roll you over. Whoop! Sit up. Ooh. Carter. Wow, that guy's cool. Wow. Can you hang him on your thumb?
That's the way I do it. I just roll around until I get close. And then sit up. I won't crawl to it. I'll just roll around.
You gonna bounce around on your bum a little?